Hello and welcome to another update video about GMX. Yeah, GMX seems to be coming back in this fourth wave now. I made an update video a few days ago. We were on the way up here after price turned around in this yellow support area. Disregard this wick to the downside. I can only see it on the CoinEx chart. I will move to a different data set in the near future, but for now we just disregard this wick. It is not valid, or maybe it is valid, but it is huge slippage and can only be seen on one exchange. In the last video we said, okay, we can really only count 3 waves, and even though I could make the case for potential 5 waves, I prefer to count this as a 3-wave move only so far to the upside, and therefore I have now sketched out support for the wave 4, which could, if price holds the $53 level, it could give us a 5th wave to the upside, and that would be important to consider a larger trend change. At the moment here of the 10th of June low, I'm watching this again, disregard this wick. That's another reason why I want to get rid of this CoinEx chart, but moving to another chart always takes a bit of time. For now we just disregard these phantom wicks here. I had a 5-wave move up into the July highs, and we had a 3-wave move down into support. This was our support area, our trend reversal area, where we expected price to turn around between $45 and $52. Ideally though, we always want to see price go to the 50% FIB level in a wave 2. It did that to around about $50.40, and now it has turned around potentially. Yeah, but I can really only confirm that turnaround if price forms 5 waves. So what is the process? Turned around where it needed to, and now as a confirmation that we have this turnaround, that it's not coming down again, but that it's actually a lasting low in place here on the 22nd of July, I need to see one more high. And again, support levels are here that are relevant: $54.78, $53.90, and $53. I have added the 61.8 retracement level here because the move up could be a diagonal. It's not an impulse. So we want to allow it to come back to the golden ratio if it needs to, but anything below $53 would be too deep for a reliable wave 4. I would then potentially allow it to test a little bit of a lower support, as long as it's not going below the 49.80 level. It is a potential uptrend that has started, but it would be more reliable if it's turning around now again in the orange support area. This would again be confirmed if we can get a break above what I have labeled here as 3rd wave high at 57.50. What is the target for this 5th wave? Well, it's hard to say at the moment because we haven't got a confirmed low in place, but let's assume we come down maybe to 53.90. Then we have a target of around about 58.70, the 61.8 extension. It can always extend a bit higher. Next extension level would be 60 and then 61.65, but it shouldn't really go above 61.65, or this wave count needs to be changed and revised. If we make one more high and have 5 waves up, then you'll see how this would be integrated into the larger time frame. I just need to move these waves across. Take that out. So the idea is that this most likely would be a 1st wave in a larger 3rd wave. So this 3rd wave would have 5 waves as well. So we're probably going to get here. This is a 1st wave again, then a wave 2 pullback, 3, 4, 5 in wave 3. Okay, so this is sort of how it would play out based on ideal structures, Fibonacci levels, yeah? Which means that if we can get that one more high, and at the moment this is for me purely a level to watch, if we get one more high into the regions mentioned, then we can add the next pullback support zone as we did here. So it's looking good. I think one of the better setups at the moment in the crypto space. That was in the yellow box. And if I get one more high, I can formulate another, let's say, decent probability setup. The orange box there for me is not really a reliable setup. It's more a bit of a level to watch, really. Can we hold this support? It would be great for the 5th wave rally. If not, then it is less reliable. I would then still look at, okay, did the wave 1 maybe complete here and do we have 5 waves, even though I have difficulties to count 5 waves here, okay? So I would prefer to get one more high here, maybe into the low $60 region or high $50 region, as I said, and then we can look for the wave 2 pullback. Okay, that's my update about GMX. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.